Inna the level, move this on the level. Ragamuffin Rubber coming back with the treble. Hey yo,
R&B Super Club, Melbourne City, DJ Kevin Watts up in this house.
Girl, yeah, can you hear it? Girl, yeah, can you feel it? Girl, yeah, can you hear it? Girl, yeah, can you feel it? I feel the way that you're moving it, girl. Listen to me, getting into your world. I drop the beats that you never may see. Never may see if not chilling with me. Living the life to make you feel right. Leisure by day, production by night. Making those beats get into your soul. See drums and bass, come on and let's roll. Girl, yeah, can you hear it? Girl, yeah, can you feel it? Girl, yeah, can you hear it? Girl, yeah, can you feel it? DJ Kevin Watts.
14. maijā Rīga Plaza autostāvvietā vēl nebijusi partiju kustība Latvijā. Forex un Black Silver partiju būs projekts Monster Energy Park and Party atklāšana. Noparkojies, uzgriez Forex pirātisko radio 88,1 FM un jūs izklaidēs. DJ Rats Lukas, Hip, Viesturs Mašinskis, Chris Cherry, Andy Blackline un Armand Kerain. Būs dažādas atrakcijas no Monster Energy shows, Spa Autos Sexy Car Wash, Fantasy Park Monster Energy parūpēsies, lai apmeklētāji būtu padzēruši un paēduši. Ieeja par brīvu un pirmie 300 apmeklētāji saņems Monster Energy dzērienu. Park and Party atbalsta Rīga Plaza, Monster Energy, Spa Auto, Iedzēris Nebrauc LV, Black Silver Party Bus, Baltic Wedding, Car Clean, Forsage, Ale Auto, Diskomānija, kā arī Fantasy Parks, Varants un Party Dot.